We all know that there has been a growing importance of data and applied work in economics. This has been this at two levels. One is the growing importance of administrative register level data. The Scandinavian countries have been the leaders in this, and at the same time there is what's called big data coming from public, but more importantly private sources. In a recent article in Science talk about the data revolution in economics.
For our purposes, the most important characteristic is the reutilization of data and the merge of databases that were constructed for other purposes. And I think that is the possibility of using big data and all the technology of machine learning and people that know how to do that is part of the reason why some people are moving west, okay? Talking about Harvard going to Stanford. It's not just a matter of salary, it's something else. And that something else has to do with data and with the use of data. Obviously, administrative data is not a panacea. It has some problems, no? The data are collected for a particular purpose, and therefore you are reutilizing that data for a completely different purpose, and therefore there are going to be problems. Let me give you some basic principles from my experience and the experience of others. In order to be successful in this type of project, you need to be entrepreneurial. We need a cooperative effort to sensitize government agencies about the importance of sharing administrative data with research. Be careful with ethical forms in applying for research projects that are going to use administrative data. They are getting very picky in the European Union with issues related with data, administrative data, internet data, etc.
We are working, and we are actually working in IDESCAT, building this population register that collects some of the information we have about people. And so in some sense we will have a population register built up from the census, from the employment register, education register, some registers that we already have. We are also building a business register. We have also information from the house and building housing census, so we will have a good real estate register to link people with houses, with firms, with working places, etc. IDESCAT wants to become a powerful hub for administration data, for data of an administrative origin. We need it to produce official statistics, to assess and improve public policies, that's our duty, and also to promote social science research to fulfill these goals. And Barcelona GSE is one of the most powerful potential users, so we are interested in working with you all.
Why would it be relevant to create an infrastructure of very good administrative data available for research? First reason, to inform better policy. So access to good data lies at the core of policy monitoring and evaluation, as it allows more sophisticated tools for reliable assessment of programs. And so it's a matter of cooperating with decision makers, trying to identify what is it that works and what is it that does not work. Second reason, data for research. The frontier of empirical research relies nowadays on excellent data, and in particular administrative data. So it's a matter of fostering science, generating new insights and new knowledge. And very good data also encourages collaborations, which are another foundation of progress in scientific work nowadays. And finally, more generally, data to improve quality of life, in the sense that access to good data can enable better monitoring the well-being of the population. A stable microdata infrastructure accessible to researchers is an invaluable resource to study the behavior micro foundations of economics, and we can only be looking forward to and extremely grateful for this initiative of IDESCAT and the BGSE.